Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today's reading is for Aries, zodiac Aries, and the reading is that how the month of May, the rest of the month of May is going to be, how it is, which greatness is it held in it. Okay, and this is your reading, and there are two piles. First one is the blue sandal keychain, and number two is a silver motorbike keychain. Whatever you are attractive to most, choose that pile. I'm going to pile number one. Those who choose blue sandal keychain, your reading is someone with lots of love. Maybe they are your grandfather, your father, or husband. Maybe someone has a old age husband. Yes, there are some little bit aged person in your life. They love you very, I mean, very much. They love you. Maybe this is a new person who is coming towards you in your life. Maybe he is your teacher, or she is. I think that there is a man in this picture, so it is he. But in some scenarios, it is she. Okay, or she, and I think that you are waiting for him a long time, or you are doing something for a long time. Um, Working over something. Maybe you are working for your business or your job, something you are doing a lot of work, paying a lot of work, a lot of attention in it, and now you are waiting for its you know to fruit come out of it, reaping of the fruit, or for what is the result for this hard work. Um, what is why this? Okay, yes. While you are doing this hard job, you are alone. You're alone here, and for waiting, maybe waiting for someone, or finding a way to get to some hometown, or something, to some situation, and it leads to this person, this aged person. This situation leads you to this person, and while you are here, not seeing what is happening here. Queen of Pentacles, because you are giving someone so much, doing a hard work, giving someone so much, doing for someone, want to please someone, maybe. Yes, you want to change something. You want to have a great time, happiness, success, something like that. You are going to leave something. I am seeing here, you are not happy in this situation, you are going to leave. But Three of Cups, enjoy, or for enjoyment. I think it's two situations are there. One is someone is leaving their joy, or the other one is someone leaving something for their joy, enjoyment. Ten of Cups, yes, maybe it's the situation that you are leaving someone or something, whatever this is, for more happiness, more joy, more love. Okay, and you are defending yourself, you are defending it from a long time. Yes, the higher help, higher whatever you say, mercy is with you. You are going to be for some kind of leadership. Yes, you want some kind of leadership, freedom, fulfillment, and this situation don't give you this. You have been working on it quite a long time, and now still now you have nothing from it, and you are leaving it because you want more love, more happiness, more joy, more success. Okay, uh, getting to know each other. There is a point in this situation. You have to know them, whoever they are. If this is that person or someone else, you have to know them. As you reveal your inner selves to each other, your bond depends. They they are telling you that when you are talking to each other, reveal your thoughts to each other, then your bond going to be deepened. You don't have to leave them, but I see that you are not um, not want to be with them now, not anymore. Okay, mildew fairy, and mildew fairy is here to clean up time, for clean up time. Okay, she is telling you, clean up whatever you don't want in your life. Whatever is not good for you, you are not happy in a situation of some kind, leave it. Let it be go. Clean it in your from your life. Okay, go towards other direction. Okay, यहाँ there is a lady with the boss egg, ancient wisdom. Yes, God has provided you a lot of wisdom, a lot of knowledge, and you are a wise person. So you know what is better for you and what is not. It's your own. It's your own thought. What you want to do. It's depend on you. If you don't want this, if you think this situation is set your home to fire, then leave it. It's not necessary to bond in this situation. Okay, you can move forward. Yes, you can move forward. You are protecting someone, maybe yourself or your child, or something. You are protecting something, that's why you are leaving this thing. Maybe you are protecting your love for someone, and you want to getting away from this situation. Look at her face. She is very intelligent, tired some bit, but intelligent. That intelligence shone from this, shining on her face. Okay, sharp. Yes, that person or that situation, whichever you have got, it is not good. It is dangerous. It is toxic. It's good to leave them. Okay, it's good. Storm angel, inclusion of beliefs, styles, attitudes, energies. There are so many difference between you and them, so it's good for you to leave this situation. Yes, that's what I see for you in this reading. For the rest of the month of May, this is your reading, that you want to leave something. You are maybe you are succeed in this one to leave it and to go towards other direction, or maybe you are you had made the plan for this in this month, and working on it. Okay, and this is the reading for now. Please like, share, subscribe. I'm happy if you like the share and subscribe. I like it. I have done more work, a lot of work for you, to tell you about your life and other things. So please help me with like, share, and subscribe. With lots of love. Bye. And I am going towards my reading number 2. Those who choose the silver motorcycle keychain, your reading is, you are defending something or someone. You are more protective about it. Feeling something is not safe. It's not to save something, to tell someone about it. I want to clear it. Ten of Pentacles. About your love life or about your money matter, you are defending your money, your home, your treasury, and uh, uh, your it's something about your wealth. Two of Swords. Yes. You are blocking someone to steal it from you. I think that. And yes, Page of Pentacles. You are mostly thinking about your money. Okay. And I think you are very wise person, or having a wise friend. Okay. uh, your knowledge is very ancient, very from very long term, very much knowledge, great wisdom, I think. And you know someone is trying to steal your property from you. Okay. Now you're you're leaving something bad behind, something bad, you are leaving it behind. And um, going towards your happiness, your calmness. Yes. You have seen many times without money, poor time, and without money, hard time. And you are going to make something with money. You are going to start your new business, new life, something. uh, you are leaving someone who is not good for you, I think. This is a card of King of Swords. He is very intelligent, very cruel, very sharp minded. And he have no hurt for anybody. That if someone is hurting, uh, uh, they they are having wounds, or they feeling bad about it. They are a harsh speaker. They speak not well. That's what I am uh, taking about this. Knight of Swords. Yes, they are deceiving you. Someone is deceiving you, and you leave them uh, for money, or leave your money with them. Something like that. Yes, something is hidden. You are not seeing the situation clearly, or they hide their emotions, their thinkings from you, or you are hiding your thinkings and emotions from them. Something is hiding. What is it? Nine of Cups. Yes. You are hiding your desires, your wishes from them, because you know that this is a person who is not good for you, and he definitely do something wrong to you, that you can't go towards your goal. Seven of Cups. Definitely you have much more desires to overcome. Eight of Cups. That's why you leave them. That's what in your mind. You are in energy of moon, because you are hiding from them, that you are leaving them because they are not good for you. They are not they not care about you. You want a peaceful life, you want some desires, you have some desires to, but they don't think about you. They think about only about themselves. So retreat, get away from them, get with someone who love you, who care about you. Get away from here. Mouse. This person is having mouse energy. Yes. You know who is the mouse? Mouse is a thief. He stole your food and destroy it. He is toxic. Yes, whenever they are wild mice, and not from your pet, they are toxic, and you want to leave them. You have to leave them. They are not good for you. What's this situation about? Maybe you are in marriage life with them, or they are going to be married with you. Okay. You have to be patient for some time. Knight of Cup. Someone is Knight of Cup is coming towards you, and you are defending something. Make effort. Great love is worth. Yes, maybe you have met someone, some other guy, and you know that they love you, and you want to go towards them, towards your happiness, and leave them. Those who don't think about you, they don't love you, don't care about you, and you are leaving them and going towards the one you love, and that's why you are leaving them. You think that they are good and give you love, and you have been patient for their love for quite a long time, and they give you nothing. Make effort. Great love is worth taking the steps you are guided to take. Yes, you have to make effort. Ten of Swords, something is ending over here. The pain that you are carrying a long time, that is going to end. Knight of Pentacles, slow but steady. Someone is coming towards you. The King of Pentacles is coming towards you. They are practical, they are trustable, they are a wise man, good businessman. Yes, that's what I got from here. Yes, for one more card from you. Fairy of the Divine Hand, intoxication, distorted view, or overindulgence. Yes, in this situation, the past situation, you are indulged with someone that is not good for you, that are the toxic person. Yes, they never encourage you, never say you are a good, or you are beautiful, or you can do something. They always disagree with you. They always disappointed you with their deeds or whatever they do to you. Yes, uh, it's better to be leave them and go towards the other one, or go towards your happiness, go towards your freedom. It's that's the reading for you for today. So I hope you like it, and it resonate to you, and it will give you some kind of decision, or help with your decision to make it. And I am with the last of wishes. Please like, share, subscribe this reading. I am happy if you do this. Um, uh, yes, please like, share, subscribe, and with lots of love, lots of wishes. Bye.